one of the great privileges of teaching students who are 18, 19, 20, 21, like I said for myself, it's a time of tremendous change and possibility, and it's a time period where many people are really trying to figure out who they are and what that means and what they want their lives to be. And it's a privilege, really, to be able to work with people who are at that kind of on the cusp stage of their lives, because it enables you to have a tremendous impact. And I there are so many moments from my college years that had tremendous impacts on me, far more so than I think the teachers, professors, mentors at the time realized they were having. And I think it's important to be conscious of that as a teacher, teaching people in that particular age range. So yeah, I think it does have a broad impact on how people define themselves, think of themselves, particularly for Jewish students who are encountering this material for the first time in a college classroom. But also for the broader public, just kind of to know that Yiddish culture doesn't just mean kitsch, and doesn't just mean the funny words that they think they know, but that there's a broader sense to it, and there's a much broader cultural history to it. I think that is transmission in itself, just having that idea become more broadly accepted.